All right, so if you've ever been anywhere on the internet and read the comments, you've probably read that your cousin's brother's uncle had one of these, and it was the fastest machine on the planet. Draggy, 0 to 60, top speed, and put some real world numbers, facts, all on the same day, same terrible rider me, and just see what they actually stack up as. Should be fun. 1989 TRX 250R, 1999 Yamaha Banshee, 1990 Quadzilla 500 LT500. So all three machines are factory bone stock, and today we are going to put them through their paces and test 0 to 60 and top speed. All right, so I've got my clots here, super Technoplate, 2 gallons of gas. Going to go 32 to 1, so that's 8 ounces. My old protein shaker. Don't know where my ratio right is, but this works. Good. Look, I know this looks bad for the Banshee, but I'm tired of kicking on it. I don't think it's getting fuel. Try one more time. Nope. So fun. Maybe we'll make a carb cleaning video today. So the plan was to make some cool racing videos today, but I ended up having to clean the carbs on the 99. I had this bright idea a while back to buy some 110 race fuel so it wouldn't have any ethanol in it, and it could sit up for longer periods of time. But it turned out to be a huge headache, and none of my machines ran correct on it, and it actually kind of crystallized. And as I was taking apart the carbs here, you could see how it had crystallized on some of the jets, and I had to clean it out. But for the most part, there wasn't any trash in there. It was just the, like I said, the fuel had crystallized. So I spent a good hour here pulling the carbs apart, cleaning them up, blowing them out with compressed air, hitting them with some carb cleaner. Nothing too major, just a light cleaning. Put it back together. All right, clean the carbs, got it running. Still not exactly right. Gonna try a new fresh set of plugs. See if we can get it out there and test it. So as you can see, I got it running, but still not running right. I don't know if it's got a cracked reed or something else, but I didn't want to spend all day working on it. At this point, I just decided to grab another Banshee. I've got the 09 that's all bone stock as well, so I knew it had fired up last time I had it out and went and grabbed it for the test. Being a Banshee guy, I'm a little bit disappointed. I'm on number 3 to try to get this to race today, so let's see if this one can do it. right, it's pretty clear the Banshee is the quickest and the fastest. The Quadzilla put up a good fight, and the 250R was just outmatched. round 2. We're taking these machines to the dirt. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and always follow along on Instagram and TikTok at the Banshee Collection. Thanks, guys.